Girls love cookies.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Jenny. It's been a minute. Okay, so I am gonna try to vlog today because I have a lot of little things to do that I've been putting off. I don't know if you guys know those like welcome signs, but I've been wanting to make one of my own, and I ended up buying like the wood for it, and I've had it for a couple weeks now, but I've been procrastinating to the max. So I'm finally gonna get to it. But the thing is, I put it off so long that now it is freezing. Okay, so this is the wood plank that we're going to be using. And then I've already laid out 2 of the plastic tablecloths. So we're gonna use that as a base so I don't end up painting our balcony. And then I have to sand it down. Ricky ended up getting this one, which is nice because then we'll be able to keep for a long time. And then other supplies, face mask, just because I don't want to breathe in the dust or the paint. Gloves, and then we ended up getting this one, the all-in-one matte black. Some red paint, and some other stuff. So we're gonna just kind of wing it and see how it goes. Oh my gosh, okay. It is cold as hell. So I pretty much got that sanded down, and now I am going to take the matte black paint and then do it on the side where we're gonna put the stickers and the rest of it. So, oh my god, it is so cold. Here we go. Okay, so the first layer is done. I don't know if I'm gonna do a second layer, but I do need to let this dry off. And then in the meantime, I think I'm just gonna prep the letters and the red. And just use this red paint, put it on a plate, grab one of these, and then we're just gonna flick it.
It's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove. Cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me.
Okay guys, so I have decided to run a few errands before finishing up the wood board or like the welcome sign, because I'm supposed to let it dry. But the thing is, I'm like really impatient, so I decided that I should go run errands and let it dry, because knowing me, I would just start doing it now. Like, I'm very impatient. I like to get things done, so getting myself out of the house is the first thing that we're gonna do. So the first thing that I have to do is go pick up an Amazon package. I send them to like a locker instead of just having them like sitting outside of our door. So we are gonna go ahead and do that. We are now at Walmart and I'm gonna go get this stuff. Okay everyone, so I just got back from Walmart and I ended up finding the protein for the whole TikTok coffee thing that I've been seeing. Bought some more of this, which you guys already know. I drink mostly this coffee. And then I couldn't resist buying these. Oh my god, I couldn't resist buying these sugar cookies. Holy shit. You're gonna be crooked because my tripod's been weird. So, got my mason jar, got some ice, This isn't one of the new ones. I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm assuming like that much of coffee. And then, I hope this is good. I think I got the cookies and cream version of this. So I ended up getting this guy, the Premier Protein High Protein Shake, cookies and cream. This is bothering me, hold up. Yeah, I think I need to get a new one. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this boy up. And then, I think they put the whole thing in there. Sorry that you can't even see that. I can smell that. That's good, but I need more coffee. I think I was only supposed to put half. That's a lot. That's actually really good. Okay. Okay, so I got my coffee, and then I'm gonna try one of these. Good. Okay guys, so it seems that the board is pretty much all done drying off. So I ended up putting up some, you see, I ended up putting on some like red paint splatters, and then my cousin Cesar, he was kind enough to help me with the stickers. So he has these reflective ones. So we're gonna have ghost face up here, and it's gonna say "what's up" all the way down there. Whew. Okay guys, so that is all done. I'll give you the overview of it now. Look at how cool that is. Hey everyone, so it's the next day. Last night all I ended up doing was having a movie night with my cousin Cesar, Giovanni, and then Oscar, Joey, and oh, my cousin Junior as well. So that's what we ended up doing. We watched Silent Hill and The Grudge 2. So that was really fun. I was gonna vlog today, but honestly I like just kind of needed today to kind of do some retail therapy, and I kind of went overboard. I just got home. My sister went with me and she helped me pick out a lot of this stuff, so like big shout out to her for helping. But do you see, sorry, Ricky and I are washing all of that stuff, but like, do you see? Yeah, I kind of went in. So also I look like shit. I had to go get my eyebrows done, so I didn't really put on makeup, so good luck dealing with this face. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys things that I bought. So welcome to a shopping haul. So one of the first places that we went to was Victoria's Secret / Pink. Julie, I ended up buying something for Julie, so she already has that, but I wanted to get a new one of these. It's the Victoria's Secret Amber Romance. This is like one of my favorite scents from them. I can't really smell, so I just like end up getting this one because I know it smells good. But since my sister was, I have a bad lisp today if you guys can't hear it, and if I just made you realize I have it, I do apologize. But then I also ended up getting this one, which was the Santorini something water, and my sister, oh my god, my sister said it smelled good, so now I have these two because I was running out of my old Amber Romance. We ended up getting that, and then we went to Forever 21. Ended up getting this dress. I needed to find a dress, and it's this one right here. I don't know if it's gonna fit, so I bought this because you can't try it on at the store. But there's this. We'll see if it fits. Then we went to Charlotte Russe. This is actually the first store that we ended up going to, and I ended up getting this jacket thing. I think it's more of a, I don't know what to call it, but it's this pattern and I absolutely adore it. And I love it. I love this look if you wear it with like black pants. And this one ended up coming out to be in total $16.24, which is almost like a steal. So I'm gonna try this on and see how it fits. Then we went to Rue 21. I ended up getting, I'm hoping this fits because I'm really particular with things, but I ended up getting this little skirt, which is so out of my comfort zone, but I have been enjoying plaid, so we're gonna see if this fits. And then my sister didn't really like this at first, but it's another jacket, and like it looks kind of funny, and so I put it on and it looks good, and it was only $7, yo. That felt like such a steal, so I had to get it. I only try to find for things that weren't crazy expensive. I just needed to add things to my wardrobe because I genuinely don't have a lot. Like I have a lot, but a lot of the same things. Oh, we also stopped by Menards because she wanted to get something for her friend, which we didn't end up finding, but we ended up getting almond bark. So we're gonna try to do some fun festive stuff with this. But yeah, I mean, I guess that's a random one, but it's there. Walmart, Wally World, and do they call it that? I don't know. I ended up getting some glow sticks for Halloween. I ended up getting this pair of leggings. They were $9.88, but they look so good. They have that little pleated line or whatever down the middle of each pant leg, and it looked really good. It's this place called Love Shoes, and it's kind of like more affordable for like shoes. I don't know how to describe things. Welcome to my world. So I ended up getting 3 pairs, and it was crazy. So first pair are like these mid-calf boots. Obviously there's still stuff on here, but they're like this nice dark brown boot color, or nice dark brown color. So I was really excited to get these because I have some brown mid-calf boots, but the thing is they're so well worn. I've had them for like 3 or 4 years and they look like I need to retire them. I ended up getting these and they look so good. They're like this black, also mid-calf boot. I think that's what they're called, but they look so good. But then my favorite pair, I love me some booties, especially black ones. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. I love it. So I'm really excited, most excited about this purchase. And then that's all of the shopping that I did. And then I wanted to show you guys something. So every year my sister and I, at least we've recently started this, we've been trying to get each other like spooky baskets. And for her birthday, I did like a birthday present slash spooky a birthday gift slash spooky basket, and she ended up giving me mine today, and I'm excited to show you guys what she ended up getting me. So the main part is this little spooky basket. So she got me the spooky basket, and this is one of my favorite candies. They're the pelons, I think that's what they're called. I don't know, the things. And then I love these. I love tamarindo. So she got me some of these pulparindo candies, and if you like some sour stuff, like this is delicious. Okay, so I think okay, so my sister, she loves Michael Myers, Ricky loves Sam from Trick or Treat, and I think I have gotten really obsessed with Ghostface from Scream, and my sister ended up finding this. And just, I am so excited. Like, look how cool that is. It is a glow necklace, and I'm so excited to have this. She also put this Capri Sun in this little bag, which if you can tell, like, that's a dope ass bag. I love it. She gave me some Skittles. I love Skittles. I love Rice Krispie treats. And I think this is one of my favorite candies, is the Bunch of Crunch. Like American candy, Bunch of Crunch. She also got me these steel straws, which I absolutely love. Like, I'm definitely gonna get wrinkles around my mouth because I love sipping out of straws, or like taking my drinks out of straws. She got me some fuzzy socks, and then especially when I drink, like, these are my go-to chips. Plain Lay's. Delicious, you know? So let me go ahead and try to make this pretty because I want to take a picture of it. And then my favorite part of her gift, I literally teared up when she showed me this. Guys, this throw blanket is so freaking soft, and yellow is I don't know if I've mentioned this here before, but my favorite color of my entire life, like ever since I was a kid, has been yellow. Like, yellow has been my favorite color, and I'm just so excited to have something yellow, like a yellow blanket. My mom got me one too, and I still have that, and I still use it. She's gotten me two already. So any yellow blanket I absolutely appreciate and adore, and I hold so closely to my heart. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like, that's all the retail therapy I did. That is all, y'all. I'm gonna try on these clothes, see what fits, see what doesn't, cry a little, and then do any returns if I have to. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I have a hiccup. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.
That's my